In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 8xMA with configurable lengths in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. We're going to move step by step, so even if you're fairly new to TradingView or moving averages, you'll be able to follow along and get this indicator on your chart in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this, so just open the chart you usually work with. Now look at the top of your screen for the indicators button. This is where all the built-in tools and community scripts live. Go ahead and click on indicators to open the indicators and strategies panel. This will bring up a window with a search bar at the top and different tabs and categories underneath. Next, move your mouse to the search bar at the top of that panel. This search bar lets you quickly find indicators instead of scrolling through long lists. Click inside the bar so your cursor is active there. In the search bar, start typing the name of the script you want to use, which is 8xMA with configurable lengths. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see the script appear in the list. When you see it, simply click on it once. That will add the indicator to your chart right away, and you'll notice multiple moving average lines plotted over your price action. With the indicator loaded, the next step is to customize it so it fits your strategy and the way you like to see your charts. On your chart, move your mouse over any of the lines that belong to this indicator, then look for the small settings icon next to its name in the upper left corner of the chart panel. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration window. Inside the settings, you can change the lengths of each of the 8 moving averages, adjust colors, line thickness, and even choose which ones you want visible. Take a moment to set the lengths according to your trading plan. For example, you might mix shorter term and longer term averages to get a clearer picture of trend strength and momentum. When you're happy with the way everything looks, click OK or close the window to save your changes. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to use these kinds of tools with more flexibility and fewer limits, you can use the link in my description to sign up and get started.